Today we're making omelets in a baggie. You'll want to stick around. Good morning. We've been car camping at one of our favorite local campgrounds, and we knew it was just going to be an overnighter, and as we were preparing our meals, everyone decided that they would like to have omelets for breakfast. So we thought, what better way to show how to make omelets in a baggie? So at home we prepared some things that people would like to have in their omelets. 3 different types of cheeses. We've got some onions that we minced up and we double bagged them to keep the smell in the bag. Some ham. A little bit of zucchini, which is delicious. And some tomatoes. So let me show you how we prepare our omelets. Start with a container that you can put your individual baggie in. These are great because you can write the names with a Sharpie on the baggie. They won't get lost as we're boiling the bags, cooking the omelets. So let's go ahead and put this in a cup to help stabilize it. Now we'll add a couple of eggs. So now I'm going to decide what I like in my omelet. Let's start with some cheeses. I like my cheddar. Here's some Colby Jack. We'll grab some onions. We'll get a nice portion of ham there. Awesome. And I think I'll add some of these pieces of zucchini. That is going to be a delicious omelet. So here's the trick. Zip it up. Let's get some of the air out of it. I kind of roll it a little bit. Finish the Ziploc on the top. Now we're just gonna squish it up. We'll get another few of those ready and then we'll throw them in our boiling water. Just a few more hints for you to remember. Don't forget your tongs. You'll want to use those to get the baggies out of the water. And if you're going to use sausage or bacon, you'll need to pre-cook that. We actually have a frying pan that doubles as a lid on our burner. So make sure that you pre-cook your bacon and pre-cook your sausage, cool them down, and then put them into your baggies. Remember that if you're at altitude, it takes a little bit longer to boil the water. We like to use a lid on our boiling pot to speed up that process. Let's go ahead and put in our baggies that we've got ready. We're going to put in 2 omelets and we'll let that boil for 12 or 13 minutes. We've been cooking for about 12 minutes. This one looks pretty good. It looks like it's actually separated from the baggie, so I'm going to take that out. We actually have a 3-egg and a 2-egg omelet. So this is the 3-egg omelet, and it looks great also. The baggies actually cool pretty quickly. Let's open this up, slide it out. This actually looks very nice. Let's cut it and see what the inside looks like. Oh, that looks great. Looks very nice. Time to add a little salt and pepper. And of course, I love my salsa. All right, let's check it out. Whoa. Whoever made this made it just like I like it. It's so good. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to make an omelet in a baggie, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv.